Welcome loving viewers. Let's uninstall completely any Android application from your mobile phone without any leftover. Also, you have to follow the video, which is in description after watching this video for best result. Okay, now open unapp Android application. With the help of unapp, you have to uninstall an app which you need to remove. In this Android application, you will see all your installed apps. Now search and remove the app you want. Here we shall choose Facebook Lite application to uninstall. Just tap on it and click on uninstall here. Now Facebook Lite has been removed from your Android phone. But you have also follow the video in description for full satisfaction about leftover of removed application.